Sunshine. I have so many subscription boxes to unbox with you guys today. I have Allure, I have Lipstick Junkie, I have BoxyCharm, I have Ipsy, I have Birchbox, and I have Glossy Box. We have so many subscription boxes to unbox today, and it's a good thing. I have all day to sit here and talk with you guys, did some makeup, put on this cute comfy hoodie. So we're just going to sit down and we're going to unbox, and that's all we're doing today. So you guys are going to be seeing this outfit a couple times. Sorry, not sorry. It's cute. It's comfortable. What is there to complain about? So I think the first thing that I'm going to start off with is the Allure Beauty Box. I think this is the first box we're going to unbox for our September Beauty Box unboxings. I'm excited to get into this because when I first tried out Allure, I hated it. I think I literally canceled it after 1 month. But this box I signed up for again last month, and that month was absolutely incredible. I loved basically every product. I don't know what's inside of this box, so I'm really excited to see what's in it, and I really hope it's just as incredible as last month's Allure Beauty Box was. So basically, for those of you who don't know, the Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. I think you get 4 to 5 samples in every box. No, actually, it's like 5 or 6. It's 5 or 6 samples in every box. $15 a month. I don't know if they promise to deliver a value or anything, but if you know anything about beauty, you know Allure gives out the Best of Beauty award. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this magazine, and inside this magazine tells us everything that we need to know about the products inside the bag, as well as the pricing of everything inside of this box. But I know it's my last box. I don't remember if I got anything name brand. I think I got something from Benefit in it, but don't quote me on that. But I don't know. I just remember being really, really happy with my Allure Beauty Box. So I'm actually really, really excited to see what's in this box. I'm not going to peek in the magazine. I haven't peeked yet. They don't send out spoilers, and I don't know if everybody gets the same exact box. So with that said, let's open it up and see what is inside. Hold up, home guys. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I'm a little overwhelmed. Can't believe my eyes. Okay, hold up. We have Tarte. I see the Drunk Elephant. I see MAC. I see Tarte again. And then I see something else. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Whoa. Okay, so I'm really, really excited. I'm going to try and keep as calm as I possibly can be. Okay, so the first thing that I pulled out are these Tarteist Pro cruelty-free lashes. So we got some lashes in our Allure Beauty Box. I love receiving lashes in my box. The lashes that I'm wearing I received in a BoxyCharm a couple of months ago. So I don't know if you guys can see the lashes. Now you probably can without the metallic back. But those are really pretty. They're nice and natural and flirty. Again, I love receiving lashes in my boxes because they always send like high-end ones that are expensive that I could never justify spending like $14 on lashes. And I love Tarte. I love that they're cruelty-free. I love that they're vegan. But I just find a lot of their products are actually like really, really amazing. These are I'm trying to find like the name. These are their Flirt lashes. So right off the bat, the first thing that I pull out of the box is a $14, I put them in upside down, a $14 pair of lashes from Tarte. And I know that they're reusable, so they're going to last me a couple of times, so that's really, really exciting. We're already off to a really great start. Let's keep going. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this little tube that says Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. So is it like a gel for your hair, or is it like oil? This coconut oil infused gel is the foundation in creating hydrated, lived and undone hair of right now. Apply to clean, towel dried hair and let air dry for optimal separation and hydration. I've been using gel, but that's just to like smooth my hair down. I've never used gel before. Doing this has literally like required me to learn so much about hair and styling, but I love it, and I love this look so much. This is like my dream come true. So I'm gonna smell it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells coconut, but it smells like very fresh too, and I'm living for it. Oh, it's very thick feeling. I wish this was in a perfume. I'm gonna smish it on the back of my hair since that's where it's supposed to go. But it smells really nice. Like, I would just put this on my body as a lotion because it smells so good. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Tarteist Pro. Oh my god, it's lash glue, guys. It's lash glue from Tarte to go with our freaking eyelashes. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm really excited because I feel like this was really well planned out. Like, they sent us lashes from Tarte and lash glue from Tarte. So even if Tarte didn't sponsor them, Allure was like, oh my god, we're gonna send them lash glue and lashes. Like, that, they are supposed to go together. That it's like receiving a lip liner and a lipstick in the same box. Not to mention that they're both from Tarte. So, like, these two things are literally meant to go together. So I'm so excited that I got lash glue from Tarte. I like Tarte's lash glue. I've used it once in my life because my eyelash was falling off the mall, and the Sephora employee was like, your lash is falling off, and I was like, I don't have lash glue. She's like, here, and I took an applicator and I used the lash glue on my lashes, and that is the story time of the only time I ever tried Tarte's lash glue. But I'm really excited to receive another product from a brand that I know and love. Not to mention, it goes along with the product that they sent, so these two items pair together, and I'm really, really excited about that. But there's still more inside the box. So I know we're off to a really, really great start, but let's keep going. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this TLC Sukari Baby Facial from the Drunk Elephant. I love the Drunk Elephant. I love their glycolic acid night series, what I think it is. That thing literally did wonders on my skin, but I cannot justify spending $90 on skincare. The Drunk Elephant is so expensive. Shoot, girl. I know I could probably use the Petra by Pixie or Pixie by Petra, the glycolic acid serum, in as a dupe for the glycolic acid serum from Drunk Elephant, but I can't even justify $30 for a big bottle. What can I say? I'm a cheapskate. Okay, so I don't know if this is like a nightly skincare thing. It says baby facial, so maybe it's a facial. Let's read. It says, use once weekly. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse through with warm water and pat dry. Follow immediately with a marula oil for results. Slight tingling may be experienced. So this is a facial. It has 25% AHA and 2% BHA. I don't know what this is supposed to do. I know I can read the letters AHA and BHA, but I really don't know what they do. Again, that's where the magazine comes in handy. I really like having these books to like read about and let me know pricing and everything like that. The last thing that I'm pulling out is from MAC. It says Retro Matte Lipstick, and then it says Ruby Woo. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. I think this is probably just going to be a sample size. I've never actually seen a full-size MAC lipstick in my life ever. So, okay. I think this is a full-size MAC lipstick. Hold on one second and let me pull out my sample size. Okay, I just verified my thoughts, and guys, in my hands, I am holding a full-sized lipstick from MAC. Okay. I'm really excited and I'm trying not to scream. Okay, this is the product that I received in the Allure Beauty Box. This is the sample that I bought from Ulta. These are both shade Ruby. Actually, no. I have Russian Red. This is a new lipstick shade for me. So I always thought that this was like, I thought I had Ruby Woo, but I actually have Russian Red. But anyway, this is the sample that I bought from Ulta for $10, and this is a full-size MAC lipstick. This is a dream come true. Okay. Popping it off, and we're gonna swatch this sucker. Woo! I just want to know what the color difference between Ruby Woo and Russian Red is, so I'm gonna swatch my Russian Red as well. Okay, so I swatched the two, and here's the color difference. This is Ruby Woo and this is Russian Red. I did go ahead and I put a couple more swatches on Ruby Woo because I definitely feel like at first I didn't really get as much color payoff as I did initially with the Russian Red, but I'm not gonna beat them up for that because I mean, it's a brand new lipstick. Sometimes maybe they put wax over it or something like that. I don't know for definite. But here is Russian Red, here's Ruby Woo. So Ruby Woo is a lighter red, it's kind of more on the pink side, whereas the Russian Red, that is a very classic 50s kind of red. So this is a brand new shade for me. This isn't something I even have in my collection. And I'm really excited that it's a full-size lipstick from MAC because this is $20. This is a $20 lipstick. I paid $15 for those box. I already know that like combined, like this alone literally makes up for the cost of the box. And then added the lashes. I don't even know what the lash glue or the gel or the baby face serum, I don't know what those things cost, but right here we're at $34. So that's really, really crazy. That's literally like half the cost of the box. Like I pay $15. Right here I'm holding $34 in my hand. So I'm really, really excited that I got a full-size MAC lipstick. It's a dream come true, and it's in a color that I don't even have. So like, that's amazing. And then I got lashes from Tarte, and I am so excited. So let's take a couple seconds. Let's do some reading and learn about the other products that I'm not so sure about. It says Tarte's Pro Lash Adhesive in Clear. Price is $9. A lot of lash glues come in little squeezy tubes that can leave you dealing with too much of it. Not a good thing. I'm sorry. Too much of a good thing. Comes with a slim brush. Swipe it along the base of your face, and you'll always get the perfect amount. Evenly distributed sticky stuff. Next, we have the Tarte's Pro Girl Boss Lashes. I don't know why it says Girl Boss. I don't see that anywhere, because I got them in shade Flirt. I'm not shade, but I got like the Flirt lashes. It says these lashes are a glam with a capital G. I'm not gonna read everything. These are literally paragraphs along about each product. It says price is $12. I don't know. I swear to you, the price, like at the Ulta and Sephora that I've been at, the lash glue is $12 and the MAC lipstick is $20, and the Tarte lashes are $14. Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. This product I don't know about, so it says, it would be fair to assume that TLC stands for Tender and Loving Care. This creamy, fragrance-free peel has earned its burgeoning cult status for being as gentle and as effective. But the acronym actually refers to tartaric, lactic, and citric acids, three of its skin brightening, pore tightening ingredients. Glycolic and salicylic acids round out the list. It says price is $80. I don't think that this is a full size, because here's a picture of the full size. So I have a sample of this. I have 0.5 fluid ounces, and the full size is 1.69 fluid ounces. So the 1.69 fluid ounces is $80. I don't know how much the value of this is. It says your box contains either Drunk Elephant's TLC Sakari Baby Facial or La La Retro Whipped Cream. Next thing on our list is this coconut oil gel. Want your hair to feel impaled? Spoil it with $1 or two of the Silky Cream Gel Hybrid. It infuses straight hair with PC texture, enhances God-given waves and curls, and smells fancy like bergamot and lemon zest. Price is $29. Again, that's for a full size. A full size is like 5.0 fluid ounces, and I have 0.5 fluid ounces. So again, this is a sample. I do not have the full things in my hand. So I got 5 items in my box. I paid $15 for this. I got an $18 lipstick, so this right here literally holds up for the entire value of the box. I got $12 pair of lashes, a $9 lash glue sample. I don't know if this is sample or full size. Don't quote me on that. I got this coconut oil hair gel, and I got a very expensive skincare sample. So I have to say I'm really, really happy with this box, because the only brand that I don't know is this LA Rich Kid. 4 of the other products I know are from very famous brands. They're very expensive, high-end brands. I got lipstick, I got skincare, and then I got 2 like makeup eye care samples. I'm so happy that I got lashes. I love receiving lashes, but I also think it's really exciting. I've never received lash glue ever before in a subscription box, so I think it's really exciting that I got 2 items that pair together. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think about the Allure, the September Allure Beauty Box in the comment section down below. What was your favorite item? What's an item that you believe like would fit better in here, or what is your favorite item out of this box? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.